welcome to Colin's News Network. I'm your host Colin.
And I'm Donovan.
Today's topic is GM food.
So what's GM food?
I don't know. Do you know?
No. Let's find out.
So today, to understand genetically modified food better, we have invited Professor Samuel here to tell us more about it. Please continue.
Okay. The term GM food or GMO stands for genetically modified organisms. Yes. And it is commonly used to refer to plants created for human or animal consumption. Yes, it is actually using the latest molecular biology techniques to enhance specific traits such as increased drought survivability.
So, Professor, what exactly are the examples of the genetically modified foods?
Okay, some examples would be pest-resistant crops, in which they produce their own pesticides that will kill away all those irritating larvae. Yeah. Another example would be cold-tolerant potatoes, in which like normal seedlings would die in very cold circumstances, but because of this gene from cold water fish, they are able to survive. Yeah.
Are they edible?
Of course.
Oh, sure.
Yes.
And thank you, Professor Samuel, just now for giving his valuable information on genetically modified food. And we come back to this protester who doesn't exactly value genetically modified food very much. And let's see what he has to say about it. Please start.
Genetically modified food. Many children in the US and Europe develop life-threatening allergies because of it. There's a possibility that a gene introduced into the plant may create a new allergen. Yeah.
Are you sure? Have you studied anything? Have you done any research on this?
No. But it's on the internet. Everyone's talking about it.
Internet might not be a valuable source. Have you seen it yourself?
Yes, it's here.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, thank you, the protester, for telling us valuable information.
Hey, where's your mustache?
Oh, I shaved it. Now let's go to this scientist with this two-face, weird face. I don't know what face.
Okay, first things first, GM food is going to be very expensive. You know why? Because making GM food is a very expensive procedure. It requires a lot of high-tech equipment, and these big companies want to make sure that they will earn lots of money from GM food. This is very bad. Very, very bad.
So, scientists, why is it bad?
Well, it's bad because GM food is mostly used for third world countries and poor farmers. These poor people will not be able to afford such expensive food, thus making the food useless. No one wants to buy it.
Thank you to that masked, weird, mad scientist just now who explained much about the GM food. And pass it to Jonathan, my beautiful and lovely assistant.
Hey,
It's so hard, I quit.
alright, in our conclusion, genetically modified foods have the potential to solve many of the world's hunger and malnutrition problems, and to help protect and preserve the environment by increasing yield and reducing reliance upon chemical pesticides and herbicides. However, there are many challenges that lie ahead, especially in the areas of safety testing, regulation, international policy, and food labeling. Many people feel that genetic engineering is an inevitable wave of the future, and we cannot afford to ignore a technology that has such enormous potential benefits. We must proceed with caution to avoid causing unintended harm to human health and the environment as a result of our enthusiasm for this powerful technology. Thank you, and this is where we conclude for today.
What? Let it go.
And I'm Donovan.
Oh my gosh!